cut to length your ARDEX STB tape for the internal shower corner. Gently stretch at the triangle cut and pre-fold to the desired shape. Place one side of the folded tape to the wall, then unfold. Remove the backing tape from the bottom edge from the first contact to the wall and press firmly down. Using your ARDEX hand rollers, press the ARDEX STB firmly into the substrate. Having removed the tape backing, slide the ARDEX STB into place to the wall substrate first. Press firmly down. Remove the tape backing from one half, then press the ARDEX STB tape down firmly. Then repeat for the other side. Press firmly down using your ARDEX hand rollers. Press the bottom edge of your ARDEX STB tape against your tap rose to make an impression, then cut. Remove the back tape, then repeat the process for the top half of the tap rose. Press the middle of your ARDEX STB tape against your shower rose to make an impression, fold in half, then cut. Remove the backing tape and place over the shower rose, creating a watertight seal. Measure and cut your sheet of ARDEX STA tape for the waste outlet. Peel away one half and place over the waste outlet. Peel away second half and press firmly into place. Mark and cut the ARDEX STA tape to lap into the waste outlet. The membrane must be lapped to penetration such as waste outlets in accordance with AS 3740. Use the ARDEX penny roller to ensure 100% contact of the ARDEX STA tape to the waste outlet. With small cut pieces of ARDEX STB tape, cover all screw fixings on your floor and walls. With the external wall corners, cut a small slit in the tape, placing either side of your Waterstop angle, shaping the ARDEX STB tape around the wall. With the external floor corners, measure and cut a small slit in the tape, then lap to the Waterstop angle. Press firmly down for 100% contact. To complete a 100% waterproof seal, finish by cutting a small circular piece and place over the external corner.